Well, hello everybody. Hey, Steve Tristan here. Welcome to Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here with DIY Aidan. Say hello, Aidan.
Hey everybody.
Sorry to hit you so hard. So we're having fun today. Just wanted to welcome you to our channel and explain a few things about why we even started the channel to begin with. Do you remember why we started DIY Aidan?
We started DIY Aidan so that we could show people how to do things around the house, or like for instance, how to walk down a ladder, or replace a windshield wiper, or do a screen door.
Okay, cool. And you've learned all these things?
Yes.
Yourself? Yeah? So that's actually you working in the videos?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes.
And do you think you're going to be able to do that in the future on your own?
Maybe so, maybe not.
I think you can. You've done it once, you've done it twice. All the different takes, outtakes. I think you got it.
Yes.
So, yeah, okay. So the idea, I think, is that we're working as a father and a son on projects around the house and things, how to do things together and whatnot. It's just that, I know that out there's a lot of people who need this type of channel and need these types of videos. So we hope to help you guys enjoy, as well as learn something new, hopefully. And initially I think that we started it as a company YouTube channel, but ended up rolling into so much more, helping people from all levels, teens as well as adults, and people to do whatever you need to get done around the house. So as we continue to progress and get more projects done, we'll share with you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. I had a question, Aidan. Why did we originally start doing this together? Do you remember how it started?
Well, it started mainly for you to teach me how to do things.
Right. So who helped us start that? We read a book, right?
Right.
Which book?
It's a book about Saint Joseph, where you consecrate yourself to Saint Joseph.
Okay.
As workers like Saint Joseph was, because he was a carpenter.
Okay.
And we use that as our guide.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I think that Saint Joseph is, is and was an amazing man here on earth, as well as in the afterlife. I think that he's an amazing saint, right? He's a stepfather of Jesus. He taught Jesus how to do his trade. Saint Joseph was a carpenter, right? But Saint Joseph, actually in Greek, tekton, which is what the word they use in the Bible, it actually means mason, or even person who fixes things, or even handyman, and so doing chores or tasks or projects around the house, then that's the types of things that they would do, help people build and fix their homes, right?
That would relate to him, yes.
Yeah, exactly. So you would consider that, that Saint Joseph had to have taught Jesus his trade, because that's how it was done ancient times. The son always followed the trade. Speaking of, are you going to follow in this trade? Are you going to, you don't know?
Maybe.
Maybe? You think so, or no? With carrying on the business or this YouTube channel, is this something you want to do the rest of your life?
I mean, it's an option.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
If I did have the option to, yes, I would.
Good. Okay. Well, that's good. That's how it was in ancient times, as well as in the past. A lot of people these days don't do that, but I think that teaching Aidan, how to work is important, because physical labor is very important to get things not just done, but if you choose it as a job, it's very important. It's always good to be able to fix a sink or patch a wall or do something like that, right?
Or plaster.
Yeah. So, but I think that you could really learn a lot more obviously. I can always learn more as well.
So can the viewers.
Yes, so can the viewers, right? And so we want to make sure that people out there have this information, because I know that in today's world, a lot of young people especially don't know how to do certain things. And, we're hoping to be out there to be able to help you guys. That's why DIY Aidan is here, to show you that you can do it too. But we have an example of someone who both of us look up to. Everybody needs a mentor, right?
Yes.
I've learned this from a lot of different training that I've been through, but having a mentor in business, having a mentor in life is extremely important. But the mentor that we looked for was actually somebody who we cannot see. And that would be
someone who has already exists.
Yes. Who exists.
It's from a book where we consecrated ourselves to Saint Joseph.
Consecration of Saint Joseph is the book, and we consecrated ourselves, both of us, to Saint Joseph, and in doing that, we committed to
working around the house,
to also spiritually to committing ourselves to God,
because he was a working man.
Correct, and we committed ourselves to Jesus. We committed ourselves to the Blessed Virgin Mary, as well as Saint Joseph, to be men, real men of God, real men of faith, and real men who work and work hard, and to protect our families, and to be true men. Okay, and so we basically did this so that way. Honestly, I'm not going to say it's even for the channel, okay, guys? I'm going to be really dead honest with you. It was for me to help my son to be a better man. I didn't want him to turn into someone who couldn't change a tire on a car or couldn't do something like that, And so I want to make sure that he's capable of taking care of his family when the time comes, right? So that's what counts. That's what matters.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I love you.
You
got this on video.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of videos to make coming up, right?
Yep.
And it'll be a lot of around the products, but also around the things that we're doing around the house. And you'll be getting a lot more in the springtime. It's just a little easier to film when it's warmer, as times we get to do things. So, guys, I just, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. And is there anything else you want to add, Aidan?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you guys next time.
Guys, thank you, take care, and God bless.